In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful selections and cutouts using the pen tool. Now, unless I'm selecting hair, I always use the pen tool for accurate, high-fidelity selections. Would you prefer this with the pen tool or this with the selection brush? Additionally, I've included a special template that helps you to understand and practice the techniques shown here. You can download it and practice how to pull out curves and edit them as well. The flower file is also available down below, so do check that out. This lesson will help you to produce high quality cutouts when you need them, and also show you a simple addition of a drop shadow. Do remember to use these techniques as a starting point only. I remember how long it took for me to get proficient with a pen tool. It's not that easy. It just takes practice and patience, but with just 2 simple keyboard shortcuts and your mouse, my technique will soon get you reaching for the pen tool in future. Hi, I'm Tony Bramley. I've been a professional photographer for over 25 years. I help people just like you with my one-to-one training and group workshops. I provide judging for camera clubs and also, like you, shoot just for fun. Join me as I pass on a few wise words and probably some stupid ones too in a creative world called photography.